In this video, I'm going to show you how to use tags in Aweber. Tags work like labels attached to your subscribers, helping you organize them based on their interests, regions, or any other criteria you choose. Adding tags to subscribers is simple. For instance, if tags were not automatically added when someone joined through a sign-up form, you can assign them manually. Click on a subscriber's profile, scroll down, and you will see the Tags section. Enter the desired tag, save it, and that subscriber will be grouped accordingly. If you are importing multiple subscribers at once, Aweber also allows you to assign a tag during the import process. For example, when you upload a CSV of new subscribers, you will see an option to add a tag before finalizing the import. This way, large groups of new subscribers can be organized automatically. Now let's discuss how tags are actually used. Their most important application is within workflows or campaigns. For instance, when setting up a new campaign, the default starter might be set to subscriber joins the list. However, you can edit this to start only when a subscriber with a specific tag joins. Enter the tag, confirm, and only those tagged subscribers will be included in that campaign. This allows you to target messages to specific groups, ensuring more relevant and personalized communication. And this is how you can use tags in Aweber.